Alright guys, welcome back. Alright, so we're going to talk a little bit about string concatenation in this video. So basically what we can type in is we can concatenate string literals together. What that means is basically join them. So I'm going to say the character is, and with a plus sign I can join the value of this variable together. And let's go ahead and run this. It says the character is W. Okay. So what we have here is this plus sign here. It's the addition operator. Now this does different things based on the variable types that we're working with. Since we're working with a string literal and a character, it just joins them together, just glues them together, and makes it one complete string. Okay, so also we can actually join two separate literals together. So in fact, I can say the with a space and put a plus sign right here and join it as two separate strings. So we got 1, 2, 3 pieces that are being joined together. We got two string literals, one string literal, two string literal, and a character type, and we can glue them together. And it's still the final output is one single string of characters to the console. And that's just the way we can add another string here as well. I can put an exclamation mark. And that's how we join, that's how we can concatenate string literals together. Okay. So that's it on this video. I know we didn't cover it in the last video too much, or our last video, but we're going to talk a little bit more. Thank you for watching.